Rolling, 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 we are here rolling. Hey, 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 welcome to 93 TV. Today we'll be cruising around in this 08 RS4. Shout out to the top shop, Nate Crete, Corey Wilson, William Holmes, and Johnny Divock and the crew. Come tag along and let's cruise.
Hello, little guy. In the shade, it's very purple, your car. It's kind of cool, I like it.
So, here we are. Dave Raybold in front of me. We got AJ and Tyler. Upper level media up in the front. We are headed to get some rollers. Stay tuned.
Whoop whoop, skitty whoop. Look at that. Getting that roof launch. Alright, I need to go back for the copter.
Let's keep going, find somewhere to turn around. We'll do the same thing on the way back, and hopefully the copter made it back to the launch point. Copy.
Oh, I see it. It's right behind us. It's right behind us. I want to go get it. It's just gotta catch up to us.
You know, you can smoke them. Sure, like a cigarette. And you can take them like a pill, too. And you can sniff them. You can what? Sniff them. Smell them like a flower. Come on. It's the truth. And you can stick them in your arm with a needle. A needle? A big old needle. Not me, boy. What if you had to? Had to.
Oh, this bridge, yo, sick.
It looks like a wolf out there. It's just a Shinoja.
I want to put the drone out in front of that frickin' bridge while we drive through it.
You're pull off, we got a car behind.
What's up? Apparently the cops are up waiting at the end of the street.
The cops? Woo!
One guy. I mean, I drove by him and he was looking because we were driving.
You also might be stopping on time for lunchtime. You might be having a lunch.
I should probably go get some work going anyway, so I'll let you know if he stops me.
Give us the beta.
Sick.
I